Alright, let's redefine what a tiny house can be. Forget cramped spaces. This is a modern, fully walled urban oasis built around stunning architecture and outdoor living. The first thing you notice: privacy and presence. A secure entry, dedicated parking, and that confident curb appeal that says, this isn't your average tiny home. And then, this geometry hits you. Clean lines, natural wood, massive glass panels. It's small in footprint but bold in statement. From outside, you can feel how the design expands vertically. Black cladding, floor-to-ceiling views. We're talking penthouse-level calm inside a tiny footprint. Step inside and you'll see the trick. Vertical space.
High ceilings, an open floor plan, and wall-to-wall windows blur the line between indoors and out.
And this glass wall moment? It frames the outdoors like a painting, letting the entire living area feel like it expands way beyond the building's footprint. It's all about flow, kitchen to living, ladder to loft. No awkward corners, no lost space. Just clean, functional design driving the whole experience. The kitchen continues that clean aesthetic, matte fixtures, warm wood tones, and everything within arm's reach. Minimal but completely functional. You've got tucked-away drawers, built-in cabinetry, even the staircase is storage.
Smart design just lives everywhere here.
Let's head up, because the vertical design is where this tiny house really starts to feel expansive. From up here, you get a whole new perspective. Everything feels elevated, but also deeply connected to the space below and the nature outside. And this loft bedroom? It's a sanctuary. Low warm lighting, wood floors, and just enough height to sit up and stretch. You wake up surrounded by nature. Panoramic tree views on one side, and that skylight floods this loft with light all day long. Let's head back down, because we haven't even touched how much functionality is wrapped into the core of this home. Tucked just off-center is the bathroom, and wow, check this out. Bold textures, a floating vanity, smart shelving. This is boutique hotel energy packed into a private space. The rainfall shower sits in its own open zone, matte black fixtures pulling that moody tone across the soft gray tile. It's clean, minimal, absolutely zen. And just beyond, look at this surprise: walk-in storage. Not a coat closet, but an entire built-in wardrobe and shelving bay. Think clean lines meets capsule living. This is that moment where everything just fits.
Kitchen, living, bath, it all blends in one open motion.
Utility, but designed like lifestyle. And just across from here, that door leads out into what might be the star of this entire setup. Let's go there next. And when you pop outside, this is what greets you. Sunshine, space, and this open-air flow connecting the house to a full-on backyard oasis. With every step back, this backyard keeps unfolding into something fully composed, flowing from fun to function to just full-on space to breathe. You even get this fully landscaped garden zone, with curved stones underfoot and a pop of color from that Japanese maple. It's a retreat within a retreat. The textures out here do the talking. Stone, wood, cactus, bamboo. Every corner feels curated but totally chill. And it's not just pretty. You've actually got room to stretch, sit, read, or host, from bench to lounger to pergola. Top it all off with the dipping pool and deck chairs, plus a breezy pergola lounge. It's basically a boutique resort stitched into a tiny home lot. Need to cool down? This built-in outdoor shower has you covered. Literally. Everything's still minimal, everything's still part of the aesthetic. The cabana is the final vibe shift. A breezy, shaded pocket made for lazy afternoons or scrolling with your feet propped up. You'll forget you're in the city. Walled in and wrapped with light landscaping. It's your own urban sanctuary, hidden in plain sight. Even with the city just steps away, it feels completely yours. The architecture, the landscaping, even the light itself, all of it is curated to feel peaceful, intentional, balanced. Like this tiny house landed exactly where it was meant to. This isn't a compromise, it's a redefinition. A modern, luxury escape tucked in a city block. Tiny house doesn't mean less, it means done right. This is more than a build, it's a statement. A tiny house designed to live large. Like, comment, and let us know, could this be your dream compact escape?